Today we're going to create an abstract infinite pattern. So I've got a screen size canvas here. It can be any shape you want. We're going to go into the abstracts and let's choose spicule. Let's see. Size 22%, a little bit much. Let's go to 11%. There we go. And you just want to kind of cover the middle. Don't go over the edges. And then we're going to create a layer. We're going to fill it. I'm going to invert it so I can see the pattern underneath easier. We'll knock the opacity down. Then we're going to duplicate both of these layers. We'll take the top layer 2, slide top layer 1 to the right, and then we'll raise it up by half. If yours is not snapping, come down to the snapping and turn both magnetics and snapping on. Now we're going to take the second layer 2 and the second layer 1 and drag it down by half the page. You want to make sure here in the middle that you don't have any lines. If it's a white line, it means that you've gone too far. So you would drag it down. If you see a white line, you've gone too far. If you see a dark line, you haven't gone far enough. You want to make sure that it snaps all the way. And when you turn that selector off, you can see no lines at all. So now we're going to zoom back out here. I'm going to merge my two layer 2s together. That leaves the transparency. Merge the two layer 1s together. And then once again with the spicule on layer 1, I'm going to fill in the middle here. You don't want to go over the edges. And now we're going to go the other way. So we're going to duplicate layer 2, duplicate layer 1. Going to take the first layer 2 and the first layer 1, and we're going to go to the right by half. Second layer 2, second layer 1, we'll go to the left by half. Make sure that there is no lines. And then we'll merge the two layer 2s together. Merge the two layer 1s together. And once again, we'll fill in the middle. Don't go over the edge. And then finally, when we duplicate them, we can take the first layer 2 and the first layer 1. We'll go down by half. Second layer 2, second layer 1. We'll go up by half. Merge these together. We can turn off layer 2, merge those two together, and fill in the middle. Now, to test this, we're going to duplicate layer 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn off the bottom layer 1. I'm going to grab the top right corner and shrink it down towards the bottom left until it snaps. On the next one, we'll go top left down, and then we go bottom left up, and then bottom right up. They all snap together. When you look at it, you can see that at the joins, they just flow over into each other. So we know that this is an infinite tile. I hope this helps you out, and I do hope you have a wonderful day.